Hey everyone, and welcome to Macramé Keychains. My name is Miss Lorena, and I'm going to show you what you'll get in your kit from the library, and then how to create your macrame keychain. So what you'll get, this is specifically macrame, like yarn or cord that we have here that you'll be given. You'll get one long string of it, and then you'll have to cut it in half to make sure that you get two even ones out of it. And then you'll need scissors. You'll also get a key ring, so you'll just need to bring in some scissors yourself, and then a piece of tape to help you out. So I'm going to put the piece of tape off to the side right now. And to start off, you'll want to take the key ring and one of the strings, and you're gonna knot it around it, and then I'll show you how even it should be. So I'm just gonna loop it around, knot it around the ring. And what you wanna do is have the inner, well, I should say the string on the left be half as short as the string on the right. So I'm gonna say, you could probably do a little more. So just loosen it up and then make sure that you pull the one on the right a little longer to make it about half. So I might need more. And then, so that should be good. So where that half one is on the left should be as short, and then the right side longer. And then you're gonna do the same thing with the second string, except opposite. So you want the two inner ones to be half as short as the outer ones that you're gonna put on here. So you're gonna actually loop them both. And then I'll show you how to make a square knot with this. So pull. Oh. So I did that one backwards. So I'm just going to switch it so that both knots are on the same side. I'm going to do it from the inside then. And then pull it out, but still try to keep that inner one about half the length. So that's about right. All right. So then this is how it should look. I'll show you one side, the knots on both ends, and then the other side. So you can start on either side really. I'm going to start on where the knots are, just to make it look a little even. And this is where I'm going to use my tape. You're going to want to tape it down. It might be easier on the edge of a table, just because you're going to be making a design with the knots I'm going to show you here. So you keep these two together because the two outer ones are what's going to be knotting around the middle. So that's why these are shorter. And then what you're going to do, I'm just going to take one side, leave it on top of the middle strings, take your other string on the outer, put it over, and then you want to make sure it goes under every string and then through the hole to make that knot. And then you can hold those down and then tie these up. All right, so then I'm going to show you a couple more times because you're going to do the other side then. Do the same thing, so you leave it on the two middle. Make sure you take the other outer, wrap it underneath everything and then go through the hole and then just tighten them up. If it's easier to put tape on, well, to tape these down too, because these keep tying up, that could work as well. So you just keep going until you're at your end of the strings. And then I'll show you how to knot it up so that it doesn't come apart. And then you want to make sure that your two middle strings stay straight, which can be a little hard. So you just keep going with one side of the string and then the other to even out the knots. And you'll see too, you can actually tell by the little knots on the outer edges which one you did. So I'm going to do a couple more just to show you, and then I'll stop the video and then I'll show you how to knot the end of your keychain macrame. All right. All right, so here is my finished keychain. And don't get too frustrated if you miss a knot or if you do the same side twice. I had to do it a couple times over in order to get it right. But as you can see, it looks like a square knot on the front, and then if I flip it over, the same on the back. So now what I'm going to do is just knot it up at the bottom, and I'm just going to take the two middle strings and wrap it around the two outer strings just to tie it together, and I'm just going to knot that. So hold it down. I'm just going around once to knot it. And then just tie it tight. There we go. And now for the edges, you could either keep them as is, you can straighten them out, you can actually unravel them at each end and kind of put them together if you'd like to kind of open them up. That might just take a little bit of time just because they are wrapped up. And then you could then trim those edges to get it out and open. Kind of unfree them, unravel them. So kind of open it up, and then I'm just gonna trim the edges with my scissors here. And there you have your macrame keychain. So I hope you learned something new today, and I hope you had fun making this. And then you could always show us your creation. You can come on into the library and show us how you made it, or you can post a picture on the Palos Heights Library Facebook page or our Instagram as well. All right, we'll see you again soon.